Hi guys, it's Shorty here, Shorty the creator, and today I'll be doing an eyebrow tutorial. 3 different eyebrow looks. So if you want to know or you want to learn, stay and watch the video. Now, before I start my tutorial, I would like to invite you at this time to join my squad, my hottie squad. Click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified on every time I post. Comment on which part of the video you love the most, which eyebrow you like the most, A, B, or C, and don't forget to like, let's get right into it. So for the first eyebrow look, I don't use no makeup for this one. I just brush it, and it also helps with growing out your eyebrows. So what I take is a really clean mascara brush, clean it, and then what I want to do is I want to put vitamin E oil on it because it stimulates growth as well. This look stimulates growth, you understand? And all I want to do is brush my eyebrows in the direction that I want it to go. Now this look would not go for everyone because not everyone has eyebrows that would agree and would listen when they brush it, and not everybody has eyebrows first of all. So this look is not for everyone. So I'm just brushing it. It's easy. Brush it in direction you want it to go. And that's it. Just brush it. Just brush it. So this is eyebrow A. Oil it. So this helps with growth, as I said, because I use vitamin E oil not only to grow my eyebrows but to shape it in the direction that I want it. So it look glam. But still helping with growth, right? Yes, mom. Yes, mom. You can't come for me. Your thought, natural beauty right here. Next eyebrow look. Now, on clean eyebrows now. So for this eyebrow look, what I want to do is I want to look natural, but I gotta give it a little a little So I'm using my LA Girl. I'm using my LA Girl eyebrow gel thingy, and what I want to do is I want to take a brush. This brush came with this, so I'm taking the pomade and I'm dipping in. Look at the amount, guys, like just the right amount to do one eyebrow. I'm dipping in. What I want to do is I want to take the cover of it and I'm just dashing all the excess in the middle of it. So I'm right in the middle because I don't want my eyebrows to look too drowned. And I had to come up close so you can see what I'm doing. Come up close, make sure you're looking right. So now you're not starting from the beginning, because if you start from the beginning, no, you want to start from right here. Start from right here. Look how far I'm starting. Start from right here. Now if you need to pause the video to get along with me, you can do that, because come on, we in this together. So you pause, so you're going straight and you go swoop, draw that line, right? Now you want to dip in again because I didn't find like I dipped in enough. Now you're dashing back on the cover because you don't want that excess. And you're going back on top here. So swoop that. Right, loving it. So we're going on top. And we're drawing. Now what I like to do is I like to follow the natural look of my eyebrows so that it does not look unnatural. Just following the natural shape of my eyebrows so that the hairs will cooperate, and then I just fill it in. And now I'm taking this sprudel. What's called? I can't remember the name of this thing. And just brush. Yes, mom. Y'all can come for me. My eyebrows are too slayed. Look. Ooh. Look at that. So you just brushing. Now, this step does not need to look perfect. Your eyebrow don't need to look sculpted, because at the end of the day, we're going to use the concealer to sculpt it out, right? Yes. Brushing it out. And you're dusting the product to the front so that the front will look fuller. So, next step. So what I want to do is I want to take a concealer. This is my concealer, the LA Pro Concealer. And this is the part where you need to be gentle. Now, plenty of people use brushes and stuff, but I'm a perfectionist. I'm a perfectionist. boss. I don't need no brush. No? So I'm squeezing it out and then I'm putting it on my hand just to make sure I don't use excess, you know. Squeezing it out, fixing it on my hand. Anyways, so let's get right into it. And this is the part where you're sculpting out the eyebrow, because this is the part where it's gonna look bomb, right? But you don't want it to look too. Let me get into it. It's right here. Draw that line. Go. Ooh. Swoop. Oh! I thought I messed it up. Anyways. Swoop. Coming up. Yes. You all seeing that shape? You all can't come for me. Best ever. Swoop. Now, I know this concealer is not my color, but it's the concealer I have. So this is what I'm working with. You don't want to come up too close to the front, because at the end of the day, this is a natural glam look we're going for right here. And then come up, make sure you get as close. You're following the shape, and it just cleaning up the lines that you don't. Whoop, swoop. You also that swoop. Let me do that swoop. Oh my god, I messed up. Oh my god, it has a dent in my eyebrow. That's okay. Just make sure to take your time, not like me. This eyebrow had potential to be something great. That's okay. Bruh, no. So I messed it up a little bit here. So guess what? I'm going back in with this. Dashing it on the cover, and then coming. Fixing that right up one time. One time. That's alright. That's okay. Boom! Y'all can't come for me. Come on. Y'all can't. Y'all can't come for me. Sculpted to the gods. So now I'm gonna get a brush to blend it out. So this brush is what you would call a buffer brush. Now I no professional. This is the brush I just use to buff that crap out. So all we're doing is we just tapping it. Come on, make sure they could see that. Come on. We just tapping it, buff it out, buff it out. What I'm doing is I'm buffing it out, blending it out, so that it could get that natural. Come on, y'all can't come for me with that. Buff it out, yes ma'am. Y'all can do this too. All you need to do is pat and brush. It's so easy. Pat and brush. So we're gonna do this eyebrow on this side. Yes. Yes. Now for this eyebrow look, it's a little different. I must admit, there's a little bit different. You have to add in every element of the two eyebrows that we just did. So first I want to start off with my oil. On my brush here. We're just brushing it. And for this eyebrow, I'll be doing the two eyebrows on camera, so y'all can really connect and see how I do it. Really easy. I'm gonna lie. Ain't going to lie. So what we want to do, we want to start off with this. Remember I said just now in my last thing, you dip in, brush how much you need, then we're gonna take the excess and we're gonna put it on the cover right here. I'm just repeating myself just in case y'all didn't watch that part. So now nothing is natural about Instagram eyebrows, which this is Eyebrow C Instagram eyebrows. So what we want to do is we want to draw a line from here. Now this is kind of like my first time attempting this, but let's do it together, right? So from here you're drawing a line, right? Then you're drawing a line here too. So following the line, we're gonna do a swoop just now. Swoop, whoop. Y'all saw that? Right. Right. So now we're gonna draw a line on top. As I said in the previous eyebrow part for the eyebrow B, this part does not need to be perfect because at the end of the day we're gonna sculpt out our eyebrows with the concealer. Ooh, look at that. So you're going back in just to fill in the middle. Now because I oiled my eyebrows, it's a little easy. The pomade is gliding, so that's what you all are seeing here. The pomade is gliding along, glidinizations of the pomade. Ooh, no, right. That's, oh no. Right, so you just brush it out, brush it in, brush it up. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Give me my Instagram model certification right now. These eyebrows are on fleek. Hey. What is it? Going back in. Brush off the excess. Brush off the excess. We're gonna brush off the excess. I don't like how the front looks, but doesn't have to look perfect at this point, but we're gonna correct it with the concealer. So you're squeezing out the same amount on your hand. I said it. Okay. Pressing it. And we're going in. Okay, so I pull up my eyebrow. Get that. Dot, and dot. So we're gonna connect the dots here. Oh, what an okay, we messed up a little bit. That's okay. Oh my god, what did I? Oh, I'm just messing up more. Okay, that's okay. Okay. Intense. This is an intense moment. Oh my. Just straight in this line. Oh my god. Right. Woo! Gosh, my neck. I don't know if y'all heard that crack, but it was like intense. Right. So now we're gonna go on top. Starting from here. Ooh. Tip back in on our hand. Ooh. Swoop. Swoop. And go down. Oh Jesus, what did I do? Don't call the Lord name in vain. Tell me how this eyebrow looks. Buffer brush again. Make sure y'all can see that. And we're gonna pat and go. Pat and go. Pat and go. Try to fix that front. Fix that front. Brush it up. Hey, brush it up. Brush it up. Ooh, we need to fix this line right here. What is going on, honey? Right. And then we brushing it back. And on top too. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Y'all can't tell me I didn't slay this because I did. Sometimes you're gonna mess up the eyebrow. You just need to keep going. Blend. Just keep blending. You know, the greats are the greats always say, when you mess up, keep blending. When you mess up, keep blending. Just keep blending. Just go. Just keep. Ooh, y'all, squad. Look at this. Look at that. And voila. Look at his eyebrows. Y'all can't tell me I did not slay this. This eyebrow looking kind of dumb, but you know, I think I slayed this. Now guys, as you can see, this is eyebrow C. Now you have to choose whichever one you like the most out of A, B, or C, and tell me in the comments below, mom, if you don't stop looking at me. Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to join my hottie squad and hit that subscribe button. And turn on your post notifications. I'm going to put this in my video. Turn on your post notifications. Like my video and stay tuned for my next video.
No.